Hey, Dr. Lamb. This is Dr. Thacker here from Las Vegas, and I'm happy to be back at SLU. I trained just a mile up the street at WashU. I did a fellowship there. This is an awesome program, and one of the great things about the program, in my opinion, is that it's a nonprofit organization, so all the proceeds go to charitable causes, which I think is awesome. And you've managed somehow to get like the thought leaders in hair transplantation all together in one place and one time, so that's quite an achievement for you in terms of managing all these guys. So I'm glad to be here, and I look forward to coming back. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Jigar Satapra, first time attendee, having an absolutely wonderful time, learning a ton from the real experts, and they really give you honest feedback on how to set things up from the beginner standpoint, but also giving some advanced topics, and just having a great time.
Hi, my name is Humberto Olivero. I'm a physician in Missouri. I truly recommend this course. It has been outstanding. The professors have been great, and the quality of the teaching is fantastic.
All right, so here at the 360 workshop, been an absolute joy, pleasure. Dr. Lamb here has been just a wealth of knowledge. All the doctors here as well. It's been beautiful being able to communicate and be able to expand our knowledge in the hair transplantation industry and treatments as well. And it's been beautiful to be able to meet all these great minds.
This has been a wonderful course to gain some exposure to the field and to be up close and personal with a lot of the experienced faculty here who have been very enlightening and open with teaching. I've really appreciated it.
Estamos aquí en San Luis University en el curso 360. Lo recomiendo para todos aquellos que están iniciando en el trasplante de cabello. Asistan aquí.
Yes, hello. This is my very first time here with Dr. Leonicio Moncada. He's a member, and it's been a wonderful experience, and I'm thinking of doing this for my future. And I'm a pediatrician.
Hi, my name is Stephen Gupta. I'm a doctor from Sarasota, Florida. I've been doing hair transplants for a long time, but I tried to come to Dr. Lamb's course last year. Unfortunately, it was canceled because of COVID. He had no control over that. It was worth the wait. I came in 2021. It was worth the wait, and this has been an amazing course. Sam is brutal. He's very intense. He's a taskmaster. He has all kinds of wonderful faculty from all over the world. This is truly a all-stars hair transplant hands-on workshop, worth the money, worth the time. Come to St. Louis. They have great stakes here and great faculty. Great. No, hold on. You can still edit it. I've really enjoyed the course. Get plenty of sleep and be ready. It's 2 12-hour days, lots of hands-on experience, and you have the flexibility to go and bounce around from workshop to workshop. There's a lot of wonderful faculty with lots of ideas. It's fast and furious and wonderful, worth the time. Please come. Thank
Dr.
you.
Polavaram. I came from Raleigh, North Carolina to Dr. Sam course of 360 hair transplantation course, 12th annual 360 course, and this is very informative, and I've learned a lot. I encourage everyone, whoever is interested in advancing their skills into the hair transplantation, to attend this class. It's really informative. I encourage all of you, whoever has some interest in that.